Hello guys, my name is Naveed and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the OCR library that name is EasyOCR. EasyOCR, as the name suggests, it is, you can say, the Python package that allow computer vision developers to effortlessly perform some OCR operations. So when it comes to OCR, it have several benefits. Like you can easily install EasyOCR library with the pip command package. Pip is the, we know everyone, pip is a command package that we use to install different Python libraries. Either pip install numpy, pip install pandas. So same, you can use pip install EasyOCR. The dependencies of EasyOCR package are minimal, so making it easy to configure your OCR development. And to use this EasyOCR, you just need two line of a code. First one, import, then make a object of a reader class and then use it via read text function. So let's come first. You need to come on this URL, then click the button open in Colab notebook. So we will perform some experiment like how we can use EasyOCR on some example images. So first of all, it is connecting, and here in the same way we will install the EasyOCR. Let me zoom. Yeah, I hope it is clear now. So first of all, we will install pip install EasyOCR. Click on run anyway. In the meanwhile it is installing, I just want to show you some of the result of EasyOCR. So here is the input image and this was the output. Here that was the input image, this was the output. We will use this input image in our tutorial too. Same here, this was the input image, that was the output. That was the input image, that's what the output. So it also, output is just not like a text, it's a complete object. That object have different properties, different location of a point, starting point, ending point. So we can draw a rectangle. Okay, here this is our text. So we will do this experiment in our today tutorial. So yes, EasyOCR library installation is completed. Then we will download some of the images on which we can perform EasyOCR operation. Let's see what is in our working directory. Okay, now using the PIL library we will just see our input image that on which I am going to perform EasyOCR operation. So this is input image. Simply what I say before, you just need to import EasyOCR and then make object of a reader class. So we will make a reader of Thai and in English language. Shift enter, and then using this object, reader object, we will call the function read text, and read text we need to provide our input image. Our input image is thai.jpg. Let it just complete. Apologize for this delay, just we have to wait for 1 second. Okay, that is completed. Now using this object reader, we will read the text of this image, and it read the image and convert and return the result in this object bounds. So now we will draw some bounding box around this text. So all the bounding box image is available in this object bound. So simply draw the bounding. We will make a function box, draw box, first image, then the bounds. Color is let's change is to red, width let make it 4, and shift enter, and that is the result. So here you can see that is very easy to use the EasyOCR. So you can use either on your document, and if anyone don't know what is OCR, what are the flow of OCR, I have already uploaded my first tutorial on what is OCR, what are the operations involved during OCR, so you can watch that. So that's it for today. If you like my video, click on subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Let's meet another video.